Hello students, today we are going to learn the third part of the 12th chapter, Ghamandi Ka Sir Nicha. You know that the story is giving a good moral for us, isn't it? So here we are going to do the exercises from textbook, page number 79. Are you ready? Okay, so we will start now. Page number 79. The first upon we can see in this page, fill in the blanks using the correct word. ओके रिक्त स्थानों को उचित शब्द द्वारा भरिए. दैट मीन्स fill in the blanks using the correct word. Here 5 questions are given. I'll read all the questions for you. बांस के पेड़, then space is the blank space, then कहाँ. Then second one, हवा पूर्व दिशा, then space, then बहती है. Okay. Then third one, जामुन के पेड़, then space is the हवा टकराती हुई चलेगी. Then fourth one, बांस, then some space is there, then पेड़ अपनी बात पूरी नहीं कर सका. Next the last one, हवा dash गति बहुत तेज थी. So we can see some words given, prepositions are given there above. Okay, I will read those prepositions also. का, ने, में, से, की. Okay. Now let us see which are suitable for all these sentences. Okay. The first one, बांस के पेड़ ने कहा. Isn't it? The simple past कहा, which means said. So here in this sentence we have to add ne with the subject. किसने कहा? Who said? So there is no meaning for this one. Ne, there is no meaning for ne. It's joining in simple past tense. Okay, with the sentence, with the subject. It shows the subject, karta, who is doing the work. Okay, so here बांस के पेड़ ने कहा, that means the bamboo tree said or told. That's all, though there is no different meaning for ne. Okay, it's adding for giving stress to the person, that means the subject, in past tense, the simple past. Then second one, हवा पूर्व दिशा में बहती है. हवा कहाँ बहती है? पूर्व दिशा में, है ना. पूर्व दिशा में, it shows the direction. In that direction, पूर्व direction में बहती है. In the word for in it is में. Okay, पूर्व दिशा में बहती है. Okay, घर में आ जाओ. Come to house. Okay, school में जाओ. Go to school. में in also, isn't it? दिशा में बहती है. कमरे में क्या है? What's in be that? What is in the room? In the room. कमरे में. Like that. पूर्व दिशा में. Okay. Now we'll move to the third sentence. जामुन के पेड़ से. जामुन के पेड़ से हवा टकराती हुई चलेगी. Here say it is for with something. With. Isn't it? जामुन के पेड़ से हवा टकराती हुई चलेगी. The wind hit with the jamun tree and passed. Okay, and blew. Okay, that is the meaning of the sentence. जामुन के पेड़ से किससे टकराया? With what? Hit with what? Or here we can say जामुन के पेड़, isn't it? जामुन के पेड़ से टकराया. कलम से लिखा. Wrote with pen. With pen. So say it is for showing any instrument with what we are doing. Okay. With what we are doing any work. It shows the instrument, tools, isn't it? Like that जामुन के पेड़ से टकराया with someone. If we are hitting someone, touching someone, otherwise if we are, just imagine that we are playing in the playground. While running here and there, we will hit with others, isn't it? So we can say मैं सुरेश से टकराया गया. मैं दौड़ते समय राजू सुरेश से टकराया. Okay, like that. With someone, with one or something. The here say is using for this. Okay. Now we'll move to the fourth sentence. That is, बांस का पेड़ अपनी बात पूरी नहीं कर सका. बांस का पेड़, the bamboo tree. Okay, bamboo tree. It shows the पेड़ is coming after this. बांस का means apostrophe s, isn't it? Raju ka thela, that means Raju's bag. Like that here, बांस का पेड़. Okay, what kind of a bird it is? That means tree it is. Peड़ means tree. बांस का पेड़, a bamboo tree. Okay. Then हवा की गति, next one, last one, हवा की गति बहुत तेज थी. That's the same here. The winds direction or movement is very fast. Okay, here it shows the fast movement. हवा की गति, that means winds. That means मेरी, मे plus की it is मेरी. Like that, राजू का, राजू की बहन बहुत सुंदर है. Raju's sister is very beautiful. Like that, here हवा की गति. Okay. Now we'll move to next grammar session. It is निम्नलिखित संज्ञाओं के लिए उचित विशेषण का प्रयोग कीजिए. You choose proper adjectives for the nouns given below. Okay. So here I have written on the board the same. We will get some nouns here, and two words are options are given near to it. Okay. First one, jamun. It's about jamun. Okay, jamun paid or jamun black plum. Okay, it's not paid, jamun only written. So कैसा है ये jamun? ये fruit, jamun एक fruit है ना? So we can use the appropriate विशेषण adjective for this one. You can see two words are given here, मीठे और पतले. मीठे means sweet, पतले very lean, which is the suitable word for this noun jamun. मीठे, isn't it? Sweet black plum. That is the meaning. मीठे. Okay. Now we'll move to the second one. Dash हवा. It's about the wind. Okay. So which are the adjectives given in bracket? तेज and सुंदर. कैसा है wind, कैसा है यहाँ, सुंदर है या तेज, fast or beautiful? Which one? Yes, definitely it is beautiful, not beautiful. No, we can say beautiful also, but here in the chapter it is given तेज, which is the proper one, suitable for this word. हवा. हवा means wind. So definitely it is what? Fast. तेज. Okay. तेज हवा. तेज हवा. तेज is adjective. Fast. Now the third word, third noun, it is पेड़. Okay, कैसा पेड़ है? देखो, हरा भरा और पतला. Which one is suitable for this word noun? पेड़. Here पतला पेड़ we can say, otherwise हरा भरा, anyone which is proper for this. Okay, पतला पेड़ also we can say. Otherwise हरा भरा, which means full of greenery. That means full leaves and fruits we can see. Okay, हरा भरा. Then next one, लाल टमाटर. We can add लाल for टमाटर. टमाटर कैसी है? टमाटो दुखी है या लाल? Yeah, it is लाल, red, reddish, red color का टमाटर. So that color is also विशेषण, adjective. Then the last one, dash शरीर. कैसा है शरीर? सस्ता. That means very cheap. और मजबूत. मजबूत यानी strong, which is suitable for this noun sharir, body. Mazboot, isn't it? We can't say sasta, very cheap, because it's about the body, isn't it? So the word mazboot is suitable here. Mazboot यानी क्या है? Strong body. Okay. So now the second question, we'll move to the second question, that is दिए गए प्रत्ययों को जोड़कर नए शब्द बनाइए. Form new words using the suffixes given below. Okay, we can use suffixes here and form new words. Okay, we'll read the examples. Madhur plus ta. Suffix here we can see ta is suffix. What's the suffix? Pratyay. What we are adding in the end of any word to get a new word. You have learned this earlier in last classes, previous class. Madhur, that means sweet. And plus ta, then we'll get madhurata. It makes noun, abstract noun, sweetness. Madhur, sweet. When we add ta with this suffix ta, pratyita, we'll get madhurta. We can write as madhurta, which means sweetness, and it is abstract noun. Okay. So next one, chalak plus e, chalaki. Okay, don't write either the symbol of e, that is e ki matra. We should give e ki matra. ओके, चालाक प्लस ई की मात्रा चालाकी. क्रोध प्लस इत, क्रोधित. क्रोध प्लस इत, क्रोधित. इत. ओके, देन तेज प्लस ई, तेजी. भूख प्लस आ, भूका. Okay, these are the new words which we can make, which we can form adding suffix. Okay, now we'll move to third question, that is vilom shabd likhiye. Right, vilom shabd for given words. Very easy. मजबूत क्या है? Strong. What is the opposite word? vilom shabd क्या होता है? कमजोर. कमजोर यानी weak. Okay, मजबूत, कमजोर. नेक्स्ट वन, एक, अनेक. तेज, धीमा. तेज यानी फास्ट. स्लो, व्हाट इज द वर्ड फॉर स्लो? धीमा. देन पतला, दैट मीन्स वेरी लीन. एंड व्हाट इज द वर्ड फॉर मोटा? दैट मीन्स मोटा इज द वर्ड फॉर फैट, इजंट इट? पतला, मोटा. देन सम्मान, रेस्पेक्ट. व्हाट इज opposite of this one? अपमान. सम्मान, अपमान. Okay, so these are the opposites given here. Now in creative writing we'll get two questions. जामुन के पेड़ तथा फल से हमें क्या क्या लाभ होते हैं? What are the benefits from jamun tree and jamun fruit? So you can write yourself. Okay, we'll discuss about in online session also. You write about jamun tree, that means jamun ka पेड़. Okay, what are the benefits of the tree and the qualities of the fruits also, black plum. So you can make your own words or sentences. Okay, now second question, बांस का पेड़ किन क्षेत्रों में पाया जाता है? Where do we find bamboo trees? इसका उपयोग किन किन कामों के लिए होता है? Mention the use of bamboo tree or bamboo. Okay, so it's also you can do yourself, very easy to write. We will discuss about in online session also. So read the chapter and do the grammar session properly. Write and study each grammar, visheshan, adjectives, then naya shabd, adding suffix. We can make naya shabd, new words, then opposites. Okay, then I hope that all of you understood the grammar session very well. Okay, very easy grammar this time. So study, read the chapter and send me the voice also, or reading voice. Okay, students, so we'll meet in next class. Thank you.